Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian Leaders Formation Workshop FAS Level 1 was held at the Casa del Hombre Nuevo Salesian Spirituality and Retreat Center in the Mexico Province, MEM. The course was organized by the Youth Ministry sector, which is part of the reactivation of the ESMEM program, Salesian Animators of the Mexico Province, aimed at young leaders in the works, providing a formation proposal through in-person workshops and bi-monthly formation in synchronous meetings that will be taught according to the new AS curriculum. From 27 to 29 September, various activities took place: dynamics of integration and knowledge among peers, appropriation of content such as the Society for a Good Time, or elements of Salesian youth spirituality accompanied by moments of reflection and prayer, as well as creative and recreational activities in teams and groups whose objective was to generate friendship, trust, leadership, and courage. Seminar is being held in Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling from October 9 to 12. A large number of alumni are participating in the seminar. The three-day national seminar, christened Rejuvenating the Mission 100 Years of Salesians in Kolkata, shared with the Vicar General of Darjeeling Diocese, Father Victor George Fernandez, presiding over a solemn Eucharistic celebration in the college chapel. The inaugural session had the presence of Kolkata Salesian Provincial Father Dr. Joseph Porya, the college principal, the college rectors of both campuses of Siliguri and Sonada, a bishop and an archbishop, both alumni of Salesian College Sonada, established in 1938. The seminar coordinator and Salesian College Siliguri rector, Father Dr. Tommy Augustine, delivered the introductory words. Meanwhile, the rector of Sonada, Father Johnny Negugat, welcomed the participants. Salesian Provincial of Kolkata, Father Dr. Joseph Porya, in his opening remarks, gave a brief history of Kolkata province, mentioning illustrious pioneers. Around 120 participants, most of whom are Sonada alumni, including 60 plus Salesian students and resource persons, were present for the seminar. While alumnus batch of 1976, Bishop George Pali Parambil of Mayo gave the keynote address, former Dean of Students at Salesian College Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menam Parampil of Guwahati gave the presidential address. The solemn inaugural function ended with concluding remarks by Father Dr. Babu Joseph, the principal of both campuses. The college choir rendered the centenary anthem composed by Salesian Father Jacob Irupakatu, an alumnus based in Kolkata. Responsible for Salesian pastoral work, convened with the aim of evaluating, reflecting and projecting pastoral work in the various Salesian works. This event was animated by the Provincial Delegate for Salesian Youth Ministry, Father George Bastidas, who offered an opportunity for dialogue and in-depth study of the current situation in the country and its impact on pastoral activity. The central objective of the meeting was to unite Salesian pastoral agents to address the evaluation and planning of pastoral activity in line with the guidelines established in the Salesian Educative and Pastoral Plan SEPP and the Sectoral Operational Plan POS 2019 to 2025. The meeting offered an opportunity for evaluation and reflection on the work done, reaffirming the unwavering commitment of those responsible for pastoral care to the Salesian mission. Novice directors. In addition to the 11 novices belonging to the various Salesian provinces in Brazil, 3 practical trainees also participated. The meeting was marked by spiritual depth, community life, the Salesian charism, the family spirit in Salesian houses, pastoral work and love for Don Bosco, with special emphasis on the message given by Father Francisco Ignacio, Superior of the Salesian province of Recife, Brazil, BRE. Sherbrooke and Cornwall. The activity took place at the Don Bosco Youth Leadership Center, YLC, in Montreal, focusing on the explanation of the Jubilee 2025 logo entitled Pilgrim of Hope on Strena 2025, and also exploring the care of creation as well as the life of Carlo Acutis, soon to be canonized. Over the years, the face of the Salesian family in Eastern Canada has evolved considerably. Along with French speakers, English speakers and Italians, Haitian, Mexican, Peruvian, Filipino, Cameroonian and Vietnamese communities have been integrated. In addition, there was the presence of two aspiring Salesian cooperators from Lebanon belonging to the Eastern Catholic Rite. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.